the ultimate guide to bidirectional scan tools, functions and importance in automotive industry. Bidirectional scan tools, what are they? And how do they apply vehicle system control code reading and board diagnostics? Modern vehicles feature numerous electronic systems that make diagnosing car issues or troubles far beyond just listening for engine noises and inspecting visible damage with a regular scanner. However, bidirectional scan tools is an advanced device that will help learn and communicate directly with vehicle systems to diagnose issues quickly. In this video, I will introduce you to these scan tools, explain their functions, and their importance within automotive diagnostics. What's a bidirectional system? What's a bidirectional system, you may ask? Well, a bidirectional system is all about communication in two directions. A bidirectional scanner system is a little bit like a walkie-talkie, which means you can send data one way and then receive data the other way. How the difference from a walkie-talkie is that you can't do both at the same time. With a bidirectional system, you can do both at the same time, as against a walkie-talkie. What are bidirectional scan tools? Bidirectional scan tools are automotive diagnostic tools or devices capable of both receiving data from a car system and sending the oppressor commands back to a vehicle's onboard systems, helping with a more accurate problem reading or diagnosis than traditional scan tools. Bidirectional scanner tools offer technicians more interaction for testing, diagnosing purposes. Functions of bidirectional scan tools. Bidirectional scan. Tools provide multiple functions beyond simply reading and clearing codes, and their functions include performing active tests, operating actuators, resetting modules and initializing new ones, adjusting vehicle settings as needed, as well as reprogramming certain aspects of vehicle software. For instance, car repair technicians can utilize bidirectional scan tools to direct a car's fuel pump on or off, adjust throttle position, or perform real-time diagnostic tests of specific parts in real time. Real-time interaction between systems in use on vehicles and technician use of these tools allows technicians to easily identify problems, verify repairs, and conduct in-depth diagnosis procedures. Here are the key features and breakdowns by bidirectional scanners, tools' functions and importance. Reading and clearing codes. These bidirectional tools make an invaluable difference in car diagnostics as they listen and reply both ways between ECUs. Their two-way dialogue makes this device truly one of a kind. Imagine trying to decipher what's the issue with your vehicle when the car check engine light illuminates. Any scan tool can read out error codes generated by its ECU. And end of story. But with a bidirectional scan tool, however, not only can you read these error codes, but you can also clear them once a solution has been identified. Quite clever indeed. Live data reading. One of the special functions a bidirectional scan tool offers is its ability to monitor live data on your car systems. Imagine driving, and your car acts erratically from time to time. Still, your bidirectional scan tool comes to the rescue by monitoring live data from various sensors in real time, helping detect those complex, intermittent issues by watching how it behaves under different circumstances. Active testing. One of the most significant features of these tools is their ability to perform active tests. That means they can tell an ECU to control specific systems or parts for testing purposes, like turning on and off fuel pumps or checking oxygen sensors. Yes, they really can. Module resetting programming. Advanced bidirectional scan tools provide more than just repair capabilities. They also have the power to reset or initialize systems after repairs have been made, and program or code new parts, making replacement of sensors or control units simpler than ever. Vehicle setting adjustments. Bidirectional scan tools also let you customize some settings of your car easily if you know how to use them. Changing when doors automatically lock, increasing or decreasing alarm sensitivity, or fiddling with idle speed settings are among the many features these tools allow for. These are features that a regular scanner will not give you. Other additional functions that bidirectional scan tools offers are: the directional scanners or code readers come equipped with special features designed for specific car brands or models that include anything from resetting oil lights and helping with brake bleeding to registering new batteries. Simply stated, with a bidirectional scan tool, you are getting an in-depth view of your vehicle's diagnostic view or health, basically. This sort of tool acts as an access pass into any car system, which makes it indispensable in today's automotive repair and maintenance toolkits. Importance of bidirectional scan tools in vehicle diagnostics. Bidirectional scan tools have become essential tools in today's electronic-driven vehicles, giving technicians a deeper understanding of vehicle health. Furthermore, These scan tools also give technicians direct control to test various vehicle systems directly. Bi-directional scan tools provide advanced features that enhance not only board diagnostics or diagnosis, but also repair accuracy, thus decreasing repeated issues and making it a vital tool for modern auto repair shops, and even DIY car owners can even better understand and diagnose their issues well. Types of bi-directional scan tools. Bi-directional scan tools come in various forms and sizes, from handheld units to larger and more robust systems. Your choice will depend upon factors like scope of use, vehicle types regularly serviced, and budget considerations. Popular types include comprehensive diagnostic systems, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi enabled devices, and manufacturer-specific tools. Each of these has their own advantages and disadvantages. Different types of bi-directional scan tools. Professional-grade scan tools. Picture a supercharged tool that can chat with every system in your car, not just the brain box. Professional-grade scan tools are the ultimate toolkit for auto technicians. They can do everything from figuring out error codes and hitting the reset button on them to even programming new parts. Plus, they can speak the language of many cars, makes, and models, be it from your local lot or foreign lands. The Autel Maxisys Elite Diagnostic is one in this category you might want to consider. DIY grade scan tools. So, you love tinkering with your car in your garage as DIYer? The Blue Driver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool is for iPhone and Android and is a much popular choice among DIY car lovers and owners. DIY grade scan tools like this are just the ticket, as they have the balance right in between being budget-friendly and still having enough features to satisfy your inner mechanic desire. They might not connect to as many systems as the Pro ones, but they're still packed with enough two-way control for a range of functions. Brand-specific scan tools. These types of bidirectional scanner tools are designed specifically to work with a brand or a small group of brands. Not my favorite, because what happens when you're switch car banned, or if you own cars of different unsupported car bands? However, I must admit that they often offer deeper and more precise control over the vehicle's systems, and they give you deep, precise control over those specific systems. But remember, their chat-up lines won't work on all cars. Compact scan tools. If you're after a no-nonsense, easy-to-use, pocket-sized, two-way directional tool, then the Ansell BD310 2-in-1 Diagnostic OBD2 Scanner is a compact scanner yet versatile compact scan tool that has got you covered. They might not have all the bells and whistles, but they keep it simple and still let you have a two-way conversation with your car. Wireless scan tools. The FixD OBD2 Professional Bluetooth Scan Tool is one for you if you want a low-end portable tool that hooks up your car and your phone or tablet, so you can work through your scanning on your mobile. The major pro for these types of wireless scan tools is that they are very affordable and pocket-friendly. So basically, they use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for a flexible, portable connection. Some even let you control things both ways. Heavy-duty scan tools. If trucks and buses are your thing, then the Launch X431V Plus diagnostic tool should be your best option. These kinds of heavy-duty tools are built to take on big, tough trucks and are designed for the hard knocks of larger vehicle environments, and they come with special features unique to those heavy-duty systems. So there you have it. All of these tools can chat two ways with your car, but each has its own vibe, catering to your needs, technical know-how, budget, and the type of vehicles you're working on. It's all about picking the right tool for your job. As vehicles continue to evolve and to become more technologically advanced, so too must their diagnostic tools or code readers. And that is where bi-directional scan tools represent a revolutionary advancement in automotive board diagnostics that allows car mechanics and technicians, and even DIYers, to interact directly with their car systems to perform active tests that give unparalleled insights into overall vehicle issues and overall health conditions. Understanding the bi-directional scanner tool's purpose and benefits is imperative for anyone involved in the automotive repair industry.